Let's talk about OXO salad dressing shaker, black, small. Makes dressing simple and mess-free to mix, serve and store. The top lever flips back for pouring and forward to seal. Made of BPA-free, break-resistant and dishwasher-safe material. Presentable vinaigrette server, and handier than mixing in a jar or bowl then decanting into another container, saves washing up. The opening and opening mechanism get a bit messy. The mouth of this larger size compared to the smaller version which I also have is better for putting ingredients in without accidentally touching the sides, especially if using a tablespoon measure. This is a good size for a large family. Save money on buying salad dressing, make your own, it's really simple. This shaker looks pretty good, is easy to fill and can be washed in the dishwasher. You can try different recipes and spice up your salads. I like the size of this one. Not too large to look at, but holds enough for a few meals. This is the best one yet, had others but not this good.